Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook fried fish, crispy. It's very delicious with a dip sauce, onions, chili, and also tomatoes. You have to try, guys. It's very delicious. Normally we eat this with rice, hot rice. To add lemon powder, black pepper, fish powder, and also a little bit of soy sauce. And the fish marinated like 2 hours. And then you have to add oil. Making sure the frying pan and the oil is very hot before the fish, you add the fish. So as you can see, the oil is very hot. And this kind of fish normally is the ocean fish, like Philippine fish. So I deep fry the fish, turn to brown, and I slice it like twice in each fish, and then add salt a little bit and also black pepper, fish powder, and a little bit of soy sauce and lemon powder. Then marinate that like 3 hours and put to inside a refrigerator. As you can see, I turn the fish. The fish is ready to turn. And making sure the fish is turned very crispy and brown. Don't burn the fish because it bitter, stays bitter. So any kind of fish, guys, if you want this is easy way to cook the fried fish. It's very quick and simple recipe. So as you can see, have a 4 pieces of fish marinated, or 5. So while frying the fish, I slice the onion and tomato like cube size and add soy sauce and also vinegar and chili, spicy, to dip on the that fish while eating with the rice. If you have cucumber, you have to slice cucumber and you have to dip together with the soy sauce, vinegar, and also tomato. And as you can see, guys, the fish is ready to serve. It's so yummy. Any kind of fish, whatever yan, or pork chop or meat, chicken, you can do that. It's very simple recipe and quicker. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. And don't forget to post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. Thank you so much to all my co-YouTuber, silent viewers, and to all supporters. Thank you. You always there support me. And to all visiting my channel, please leave comment and subscribe, likes, and thank you. And God bless. So we eat this rice with we eat this fish with rice, hot rice. So thank you and God bless. See you my next video. Subscribe, Asian Cooking with MJ. Like, share, and please leave comment. I really appreciate you all, guys. So now the fish is very crispy and yummy, very delicious, guys. Thank you so much. And this tomato is the only like optional, like side dish, decoration, whatever. If you have lemon, then you can add lemon, whatever you can decorate. So as you can see, they have soy sauce, vinegar, chili, you can add garlic and also onion and chopped tomato slice on that dip. So I dip the fish to the sauce with rice. Thank you. God bless. See you in my next video. Bye.